Thank you for taking the time to consider our invitation to be involved in this peer mentoring project. We're now just going to walk you through the process. If you agree to take part, you will be randomly allocated to one of two groups. The first of those groups will receive peer mentoring straight away. The second will wait 12 months before they start the peer mentoring process. So there are two reasons why we do this. The first is that in order to prove that peer mentoring is beneficial for people, we need to compare a group of people that receive peer mentoring to a group of people that don't receive peer mentoring. The second reason is that we don't know for certain whether or not peer mentoring will be better for people really early following injury or much later following injury. And so the reason we get one of the groups to delay the start to peer mentoring is so that we can explore that further. When you receive peer mentoring, whether you start now or later, you will be paired up with a person who's been living with traumatic brain injury for some time, who has received training to share their experiences with you and to provide you with support. They will visit you and spend time with you up to 8 times over 6 months. They might spend time with you in your home, sharing their experiences with you. They may also spend time with you in the community to support you to do activities that are important to you as you work through your own recovery process. You are welcome to involve your family in your decision about whether or not to take part in this research. If you agree to take part, you can also invite your family to be part of any mentoring sessions that you wish them to be involved in. You don't have to have their involvement, but you can have their involvement if you would like that. The other thing our mentors will offer is the opportunity for your family to have a session with them so that they can ask questions about brain injury as well as learn more about the process from their perspective. Because the peer mentoring service is part of a research project, we also need to know how things are going for you throughout. So as such, a researcher will visit you in your home a number of times throughout the project so that you can complete a questionnaire. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and learning about what would be involved if you agree to take part in this project. Our service coordinator will be in touch with you soon to go through this process in more detail.